Vivo X300 series to launch on October 13th. The X300 and X300 Pro will debut as the world's first phones powered by the Dimensity 9500. The Vivo X300 series phone is equipped with 16GB of RAM and Android 16. In the latest teaser, Vivo product manager Han Buxiao has showcased the display technology used on the upcoming X300 and X300 Pro phones. He also compared the slim bezels on the Vivo X300 with the Apple iPhone 16 Pro. The device is expected to retain premium features such as full waterproofing, wireless charging, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and a compact 6.3-inch display, making it one of Vivo's smallest flagships in recent years. The tipster shared early details about an imaging-focused flagship device. As per reports, the X300 series may go official as early as September in China. Vivo flagship phone will have a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel IMX882 telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.